Hey everybody, it's Dorothy.
And Judy.
And we're here to do another STEM experiment today.
Yay.
And today we are going to make
Halloween magic milk.
P.S. I don't think you can drink this afterwards.
No, you don't. I don't think you want to drink
You'll
this
find out why.
Yeah.
But we are going to make some magic with milk.
Yes, so we're going to see what happens when we take some food coloring and make a face on top of our milk. And then we add another ingredient. We're going to see what happens when all of these items get mixed together.
Okay? So let's talk about what we have to have for this experiment.
All right, so you're going to want a shallow dish, like a glass baking pie dish is what we're using today. So you can see everything. You're going to want to use some milk. Whole milk is what is recommended for the best results, but you can attempt it with 2%. See what happens.
Right.
Okay. Food coloring. You're going to need food coloring. So I've mixed enough to make the color orange and black because we're going to do something Halloweenish. We'll put can you put in the description?
Yes.
We'll put in the description how many drops of each color you need to make orange and black, which are the two we're using. So we've got those all ready to go, mixed up.
There's the black and there's the
orange.
It's very red, but it's orange.
But it is orange, yes.
And then you need some soap.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to kind of do this in 2 steps. I'm going to try to film from above so y'all can see what's happening in the dish. And then Miss Judy's going to kind of explain what's going on.
Okay.
Ready.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour some milk into our dish. So you probably want...
That's probably enough.
Yeah, that's probably plenty. So just enough so that you can see a little bit of a reaction when we do everything. Okay? So next we want to go ahead and make our little design. So I thought we would just kind of do a pumpkin. So we're going to take our little droplet and we're going to use the orange first. And I'm just going to make a big little circle with drops.
You can also use an eyedropper if you happen to have one around the house. Another option you could use is a turkey baster.
Yep.
Could be one.
Hope I've got enough here. No? That's about all I'm going to have, so I'm not going to be able to make a full pumpkin.
That's okay.
But this will give you the idea. Okay.
Perfect.
All right, so there we've kind of got like a little circle for a pumpkin. And then we'll make his little face. So we'll do some little eyes. It's a big eyeball. Kind of a little mouth. Might have better control with a little dropper than this.
You see how that one danced
across? I know,
across?
it danced across. Cool. Okay, so there we've got our little pumpkin face. All right. So anytime you have a liquid like milk or water or cream and you pour it out into a bowl or a dish or whatever, it creates surface tension on top, which is kind of like a little film or like a little skin. Okay. And then when we add the food coloring to it, it helps hold that liquid up. It doesn't sink. It just sits right on top of the surface. All right. So now we want to see what happens when we throw in another ingredient and see what type of reaction we get. So we're going to take 1 drop of the dishwashing liquid and we're going to put it into the container with the milk and the food coloring. So this is called a surfactant. I think I pronounced that correctly. And a surfactant is a compound. And it's going to lower the surface tension. So we're going to see what happens when we lower that surface tension, okay?
So here's the
one drop. Wow, look at it go.
It is dancing around.
Kind of like a kaleidoscope.
Yeah, because you can see it move from the center out.
So it's breaking everything apart, making everything kind of mixed together. It's kind of pretty.
It's got a lot of different patterns going on. It looks it's almost marbled.
Yeah, it has a very marbleized look to it.
And also, since y'all saw that we added soap, understand why we don't want you to drink this.
That's right. Wouldn't taste very good. So as that soap is going through and breaking apart that surface tension, it's just, everything is just mixing up together.
It is very cool looking.
It is cool.
It's almost like one of those, like, not hypnotizing things, but one of those that is probably a very calming effect on somebody if they wanted to watch it.
Yeah, kind of relaxing watching.
I think almost it's like the soap separated.
It did separate, almost like it's two little eyeballs in there.
Right.
You got two little circles of mixing going on.
I mean, it's a clear divide between the two as well. Very interesting.
I thought it was kind of neat.
So there you go, folks.
Okay. So we just thought you would enjoy something like this. A little bit of science mixed in with some Halloween this season. So I hope you will give this a try at home. You can experiment with different colors, different shapes. You could even try it with maybe a different type of liquid, some cream, which is a little bit heavier than the milk, or maybe even try it with just water and see what type of results you get.
All right. Well, that was a really fun and easy experiment. It only took 3 ingredients, and I don't even think less than a minute.
That's right.
So there's something fun that you could do and kind of watch it throughout the day and tell us what happens with your milk, okay? So next time, we'll see you again.
That's right. Bye.
Bye.